Crypto chaos. Can you move your coins between Coinbase and Binance? Ever felt like you're stuck on a crypto island, yearning to trade on a different exchange, but tethered to your current platform? Fear not, fellow digital adventurer, because today we're diving into the exciting world of crypto transfers. Specifically, can you break free and transfer your treasures from Coinbase to Binance? Now, before we set sail on this high-seas adventure of information, a quick question: why would you even want to transfer your crypto in the first place? Well, maybe Binance offers a wider range of swashbuckling coins to trade, or perhaps their fees are lower, like a siren song luring you in. Whatever the reason, knowing how to transfer your crypto safely and efficiently is key to navigating the ever-changing crypto landscape. So, buckle up and raise the doubloons, because we're about to crack open the treasure chest of knowledge and answer that burning question: can you transfer from Coinbase to Binance? Spoiler alert, the answer is a resounding aye, Captain. But there's more to this story than a simple yes or no. Charting the course, the transfer process explained. First things first, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Transferring crypto between Coinbase and Binance involves a bit of back and forth, but it's not exactly rocket science. Here's a step-by-step guide to illuminate your path. Gear up on your Binance account, set sail for your Binance account, and log in. Once you're in the captain's quarters, navigate to the treasure vault, also known as your wallet. Look for the deposit option and then select Deposit Crypto. Choose your weapon, crypto from the vast array of cryptocurrencies Binance offers. Pick the one you want to transfer from Coinbase. Binance might be like a pirate's cove overflowing with options, but remember, Coinbase might not have everything in stock. Make sure the crypto you choose is available on both platforms. Copy that treasure map. Wallet address: Binance will provide you with a unique wallet address for your chosen crypto. This address is like a secret map leading directly to your digital treasure chest within Binance. Copy that address carefully, double-check it for any typos, because in the world of crypto, a single misplaced letter can lead to lost riches. Set sail for Coinbase, your departure point. Now it's time to head back to your familiar port, your Coinbase account. Log in and locate the Send/Receive section. This is where you'll initiate the transfer of your crypto from Coinbase to Binance. Select your treasure and destination, choose the same cryptocurrency you selected on Binance, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, even the most skilled pirates have to keep an eye on their loot. This is where you'll paste that precious wallet address you copied from Binance earlier. Treat it like a treasure map. One wrong turn and your crypto could be lost at sea. Double-check and confirm. Walk the plank for errors before you hit that final send button. Take a moment to double-check everything. Is the cryptocurrency correct? Did you copy the Binance wallet address flawlessly? Even the most seasoned sailors make mistakes, so a little caution here can save you a massive headache. The final hurrah: transaction fees. Unfortunately, there's no free lunch or free transfer in the crypto world. Coinbase might charge a small fee for sending out your crypto, so be prepared to hand over a few doubloons. Patience is a pirate's virtue. Transfer times: once you confirm the transfer, it might take some time for your crypto to arrive in your Binance wallet. The wait time can vary depending on the specific cryptocurrency and network traffic. Don't panic if your treasure doesn't appear instantly. Just relax and enjoy the view, or perhaps delve into some other crypto adventures while you wait. Fair winds and following seas, important considerations. Now that you know the basic steps, here are a few additional points to keep in mind before you set sail on your transfer voyage. Network compatibility. This is a crucial detail often overlooked by beginner crypto traders. Make sure the network used by both Coinbase and Binance is compatible for the specific cryptocurrency you're transferring. Sending a Bitcoin on the Ethereum network, for example, would be a recipe for disaster. Minimum transfer amounts. Some exchanges, including Binance, have minimum transfer amounts for certain cryptocurrencies. Make sure your transfer amount meets or exceeds this minimum to avoid any hiccups.